I like working with Ucara because you can use it for multiple aspects of the project, so there's a lot of flexibility in it.
I like how easy it is to use. I mean, once you establish your base plates, you start building on your structural blocks on top of that. So it's super customizable and you can really create a unique space with them.
So it looks good, easy installation, good price.
The potential to materialize virtually any design concept and color combination with the Ucara wall system became an exciting reality when we were first introduced to it.
Oh, wow.
Constantly pushing the envelope, the texture.
I like it. It'll look great. This will be more catering towards like a more modern design.
This one's almost going to give that 3D wall effect with the shades that you get in it.
So I think these two are perfect. I can imagine next year these are going to be best sell.
I like that. That looks great.
Beautiful stuff. Two beautiful options that we got going on here. This one's almost got that wood grain look to it. This one's creating this funky 3D effect in the lighting. The design capabilities and applications for this wall are endless.
A lot of the themes nowadays are like a modern linear design. This will look sharp with that. For night lighting, the shadows this will cast to look really pretty.
There's another job we have where we're building some garden walls, and I think this would really complement all the softscaping. These new products will elevate any project.
Decided to implement these in the designs.